there. Just in there.
All right, yeah.
That's it. If you press that, basically the throttles will automatically go towards the correct thrust speed, okay? Leaving you in control of the aircraft. Left and right with the pedals, keep us straight. And then basically when you hear me call rotate, nice and gently pull back. Okay? Fantastic. Right, are you ready?
Yeah, so
Okay, so park the boat off. Click them both together, just bring them up a bit. Sit back there, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And press take it. So see throttles now move towards the correct thrust. Okay? So a little bit of right foot. Yeah, okay, that's it. So you see the line here? That's the one that's going to go up to the pitch, okay? So a little bit more right foot. Try and get the middle of the runway, so right foot, right foot. And not these, use your right foot.
Yeah, this is that. Oh, right, okay. I wasn't on the car. I'll pick a different road.
V1, V2.
So try not to get that past the line there, okay? That you get better. So you see the moment airspeed is getting lower because you're pitching the nose up higher than it wants to. So you can't push forward. So when we're flying on the instruments,
Yeah.
so obviously when you're flying something else, you would literally be VFR in it, so you'd be literally looking out the window. But we're too fast for that, basically. That's it. So you're square back in there because our airspeed's gone right down 150 knots. So it's just behind it. That's it. So now just go slightly faster. So it always feels like there's a little bit of a lag. So just before it gets there, just got to release the pressure, okay? So when the line's above it, pull towards you. And with the line below, you basically just get a bit of flat one now.
So what haven't I done?
No, that's fine. That's fine. You see there, that's where you're So there's a couple of ways we can detect turbulence. Okay? One is the pilot in front, the aircraft in front can report bad turbulence. So therefore, sometimes you fly, then all of a sudden seatbelt signs go on. But nothing happens for a couple of minutes, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh yeah, there's turbulence up, but we can't see it. Or air traffic control, everyone raises them, air traffic control will go when they get a turbulence in the area. And then we'll have to go and say, well, things like that, big places. Or the other way is our speed. At the moment our speed was quite calm, yeah. So basically if that starts to bounce around, that means it's turbulence. Basically it's turbulence.
Right.
Then press the 10 times to have to go down there to these mountains there, a little bit close to come to there, right? So you see that, so that's basically invisible beam coming out of the runway. So that's off the aircraft, and that's the invisible beam coming out of the runway, basically. As you see, there's lots of hills right behind it. That is so next to as well. So this one should be quite challenging for you. So make
5,500.
So what I may need to do is, once we land also, is those pedals do two things, okay? So left and right like a go-kart. And if you sort of rest your feet on top of the steel bits and then push down if you're like tippy toeing, those are the brakes.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, when you come down here, the taxi gets a lovely coast views going all the way up to the push down a little bit, let's get left a little bit. So if we look to the right of the runway, there's four lights, which you call happy lights. Basically, 2 white and 2 red means we're likely to come down 3 degrees. If they're more red, that means we're a bit too low. And if they're more white, we're a bit too high. Okay, that seems to be that. You see there, it's okay, a bit more than that. Really get that set of squares going in that one, so really got really fast moving. Well, as you can see, it's the sea on the other side. French
Yeah.
Riviera.
Approaching 0, 4, left.
0 4 left is check.
Approaching minimums.
Minimums will continue.
Minimums. Light slope. 100. Light slope. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
We did go into the French Riviera, okay? Right.
That was a bit wobbly
It
there.
was a bit wobbly, but that's no problem at all.